like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I see
Get ready to get over.
My sme sa zbavili. My sme sem stihli prísť úplne na čas. My sme to všetko zvládli. Až na to, že niekto skočil pri Markušovciach pod vlak. Oh yeah! A meška vyše hodiny. Takže bezdomovci. Toto je absolútne zúfalstvo. Absolútna cinema si chcela povedať.
Máme teraz bonding time, spoločnú aktivitu. Pozrite sa, train gazing.
Vylodili sme sa v našom hlavnom meste.
Ideme 7:45. Pohoda.
Real. Čakáme, ideme hľadať Ninku a ideme si k nej odložiť naše veci. Takto oblečené sme vošli. A počasie zatiaľ, že
Funguje. Žiadne hurikány.
Ježume na nich. Pozri na nich.
Dostala som od robota kávu.
Uííí. 2 hodiny, je to absolútne nezmysliteľné.
Odlepil sa mi nech.
Malý kukuc vedie. A ja už to nevypokám. Sram, že fetujem, tak som si dala okuliare. Tereza, pocity.
Idem skúsiť fitnúť môj baggage.
Áno, a ja by som mala to pripať. Real. Fitlo. Ukáž sa. Konečne mám nejaké prednosti.
Zvládli sme prepašovať pár vecí. To sa o tom nehovorí.
Naše zistenia, že z prvej asi hodiny, čo tu sme, 3-4 hodiny, nikto nevie ani hovor po anglicky a ani sa nesnažia. Takže to bude zaujímavé, lebo my nevieme ani hovor po španielsky, ani trošku, takže ale dáme sme dokopy, pekné zimy, fixujeme. We made it! Kajka, ukáž nám svoj modest fit.
Nič nevidíte. Takto by bola na mňa sestra Anna.
Luce? Správne. Tereza? Správne. No, že vraj som bola nemodnosti oblečená, môj fitík nesplňal požiadavky. Môj šálik.
Tá skúsenosť very good, very nice.
Ešte papám.
Não é assim. Dá cá com o seu jeitinho.
Aí, não tô sem nada, caralho.
Aí! Apaga.
What are we doing? Čo robíme? Pivo. Oj.
Na zdravie.
It feels like I just woke up and I'm going to have brunch with my girls.
You're automatic car.
Automatic car.
Loďka kaput.
Good, my back is in pain.
Mám mokrou prdel.
You want sunscreen? To get oily and white?
Di.
Cheers. Do awesome. I like it awesome.
Essa por
Let me introduce you to the species of threesome families. One of them is this example. You can see two males and one female. They are living their lives. They are reproducing with different DNA sets, so the kids will not be entirely feminine. So it won't be blood.
It's not
Incest.
Oh.
It's not. It's fully incest.
It's less incest than you think.
Yes. Genetically, it's actually okay.
Alright.
Si jedovatá ako Raja, Louis Gucci Balenciaga.
Chceš ísť na vysokú školu? Nemáš ani čo ti teraz vravím. Chceš sa stať kráľovnou krásy? A malovať drahé obrazy. A rozdáš fialovú od dobrej. Ty kráva. Že ťa mama nezabila, kým bol ešte čas.
Pred zarami sirotica
Necháš ťa tak, ty
Karva Žabodník na lavičke
žiari na tronu. Kráva.
Keby som bola zdravotne postihnutá.
I caralho. Like, now who doesn't want is me.
Nastali mierne komunikačné šumy, ale vybrali sme sa do obchodu. Ideme spraviť poriadny veľký shopping.
A je pravdou, že? I'm looking for a snuggle buddy tonight. Interested? The puta.
Sme hrali drinking games také. Kluk, kluk, kluk.
Okay, this is the last round. What was the word?
Bla, bla, bla.
La.
Vever.
Okay, you can.
So apparently we just opened a barbershop. Just like that.
No? It's the other side.
Now you see how
Not you. Okay, olha. Corta o filho da puta do teu autor, cabrão.
Ten haircut, to bolo znovu zrodenie Juriho. Vyzeral úplne jak Giska Oňová.
Into the glass door. So it's like start moving it first.
Pray no. Kedy ste prišli domov ráno?
Domov?
Áno.
No, ja som bola vonku, ale bola mi zima, tak o 6 som sa vrátila. Dobre mi bolo.
Čakala som na ňu do 5. Neprišla. Tak som jej nachystala posteľ. A ráno zrazu ku mne niekto prišiel. Bolo svetlo. Teres prišla domov.
V oblečení, v plavkách, v ktorých bola od včera obeda. Že dobre bolo.
Pohode, s kým ste tam zostali všetko? Jurky mal ten haircut ešte. Potom kasi išiel preč, potom sa tam vrátil Pálo. Juri nám hovoril nejaký monolog. A potom som to vlastnila s Andrem.
S Andrem v hamake.
He's without clothes because he was having sex with his own.
Taká princeska.
Ešte omačku.
Andre, what products are you using? Influencers. Working. No bigger tits than me.
Yuri, turn.
Do a spin.
And then we start cooking. Where was the tidying up? Nothing's tidy. Nothing is ever fucking tidy.
Surové meso jebol do tej omačky. Takéto kúsky tam nakryl ty parad. No mne bolo nevoľno. Paolo took my ability to cook. And I lost all my rice.
No, Sarah comes and he doesn't care about me. I sleep outside.
He replaced me. Dobre, počkaj. Ja to držím. Držím ťa, pohoď. Dobre. Ja mám že zabrnuté tie ruky do tvojej rite. Co tam bolo?
A tak, nechaj to. Wow.
Someone came into the room,
No.
started laughing, closed the door. But I think I heard you laughing as well.
Because it was funny. Because like they were like, it was like they're Cassie and you is like, oh, that's so Paulo.
Yeah,
Like this. They're really like happy to show Paulo the haircut. And then they come back like, yeah, I had a motorcycle accident. And the doctor told me to take meds and I shouldn't drink alcohol because it would be bad. It turns out I'm feeling way better. And I'm sober now. I'm feeling way better after the alcohol. So guys, if every single time a doctor tells you not to drink, you should drink. Helps.
Vai tu que eu não sei o caminho! Agora vai. Apanha!
We're going to the waterfalls, which we've heard are full of Spanish people, which is interesting, because I thought there was going to be absolutely no one there.
Be careful with the... I'm mad because they didn't take my hand. Another Carolina this. Slovak. We are gonna jump from here to the water.
Oh, okay.
Je to tu krásne.
Ztratili jsme asi 5krát, že se to skoro našli, akorát tam musíš přeplavat takovou vodu. Aha.
Treat me like white teeth.
Ideme naspäť stavili. Boli sme na západe.
Não te fizeram! Cadeira, é terra que me viu nascer. Lembro-me de menino que andava sozinho, sonhava vir um dia ser. Agora
Happy birthday, dear friend. Happy birthday to you.
Wait.
Did you really see himself already? No.
Pretty bonita, wow. Okay. Doesn't matter now.
You're so pretty.
We can shave them. I know what you.
She's feeling cons.
But he looks like, you look like Kawa, you look cute. He looks like a hooker. It's like 6:30 a.m. and we're making makeovers. So Yuri, this is your first impression of yourself as a hooker.
Yuri, it looks like you suck dick for 5 euros.
Yuri's already doing his job perfectly. Look at him. Wow, what a professional. Nice.
Amazing ready for his job.
Does it smell bad?
Yes, it does. And the other one.
It's save it for later.
We're drinking, we're
Yes.
smoking,
We're
dragging,
smoking.
we're going, we're
Yes,
going,
and no sleep.
we're going.
Club.
Another club.
Another club. Another.
Sleep?
Yes, no
It's
sleep.
for the weak ones. It's so hot. Come here. Mama, can I have sangria?
No, better. Roll back to kitchen.
It's a common Life is great again.
Please, what you talking about?
Je asi 1. A jsme se právě zaputili nějak. A jsme šli spát tak před 8. Lebo jsme boli all-nighter. Aké máš pocity? Už jsme staré na takéto.
Nie. Bolo to v pohode.
So we are changing the oil of my car.
Yes.
But someone put like silicone on the piece to open it. So we think it might be fucked up. So now Yuri is like complaining about it because Yuri caught him now. The car is like a piece of shit because of silicone there. So yeah, if I don't pick up Linda early, in case you are seeing this, it's because of Yuri. Okay, I'm sorry.
Yuri says he's a mechanic. We are inspecting his performance.
Dnešný režim.
Dnešný režim je režim nerušiť.
Ja som to, že teraz máš reálne povedať.
Ideme na nejaké autičko. Teraz autičko.
Go to Google Maps because now I have no idea where the fuck I'm going.
Prečo ideme preč?
Come on kids, it's over.
It's over.
Oh no, la polícia.
Idú, vlastne. Juri sa včera totálne sfajčil. Also, manageli sme si umyť vlasy. Ja som použila polovicu z tej flaštičky a z tej druhej polovice, menšej polovice, si Kajka umyla vlasy. Aj teraz.
A pozri, aké sú fresh tie vlasy.
Imagine the house full of boys. And so we're looking for shampoo. The girls go around like searching, looking like all the bathrooms. We have like 4 or 5. What they find? Conditioner, 1 in bathroom. Another bathroom, other conditioner, other 2. And there's a whole box of it. 1 million bottles of conditioner. Do they have shampoo? No. I'm scared. And how they use all this conditioner?
Designated driver of the day.
No, you cannot do that. Like for us Christians in Portugal, if you walk backwards, you are teaching the path to devil.
That sounds like absolute bullshit.
No, I'm serious.
It does sound like absolute bullshit. What does it mean if I walk like this?
Like in the devil away.
Really?
Ambisa kurva.
Išli sme, plávali sme, rozprávali sme sa a potom sme zistili, že vlastne sme sa mohli zabiť. Teda mohli sme zomrieť. There is no space for me here. There was 3 of us in this marriage. So it was a bit crowded.
Get ready to get over. Para qué?
Come and this is my adventure. This is my fantasy. It's all about living in the ocean.
Dostali sme punishment, nosiaci všetky ženy, ktoré sme plávali až k vlajkám, nosíme vec naspäť k autu.
Tá aí, caralho. This is why it's good to have a motorcycle. That's how you look.
Wait.
Nechceš to otočiť takto?
Snacky na munchies.
Tešíš sa?
Budeme jesť.
Cinderella.
I hate gypsies.
Znovu sa otočili zle, na tom istom páči ako na začiatku. Znovu. Čo?
Tak, vidím tu.
Cheers. Naše sa mali brownies.
Čo robíme dneska?
Pesto.
Magdy sme nahodili knihy, ideme magnetky kupovať.
Acho tudo make-up again to feel bonita.
Koľko to stalo?
Same dinosaur, áno.
Hotness acquired.
They are well dressed up, looking like 10 hours ago they weren't totally fucked up.
But it costs 3,000 crowns, like 100 euro. Also, would you buy Harry Styles vibrator?
For 100 euros, no.
For how
Less?
much?
Maybe.
What's
A
your
big-
price?
My price? You don't wanna know.
Yeah. Sme v Downtown Faro a dáme taký quick walk a predtým než ideme do Faro a je strašne pekné svetlo.
This pine tree is older than your country.
Boli sme shoppingovať, kúpili sme magnetky za nekresťanský mám peňazí ako vždycky. What do you think about Faro?
Epá, je bom. Je dobre. Pa je o quê?
Dame un grr,
O quê?
un grr,
O quê? O quê?
un grr.
O quê?
Okay,
Look at everyone.
Approve.
Serves this.
feelings, Faro.
Sleep. And do the bonus vlog merda. Pa je para...
Iš do vlogu.
Estão a explicar ela que eu venho?
What is happening? Are they fighting?
There's the
Child,
drama.
he's abusing the child.
Lock him up.
Oh no, the child is abusing him. Oh, yo, yo.
Domestic violence is a public crime. You can report.
This is the best chaos video ever.
Oh, good car, nice.
Dude,
I want to be in the car as well, Luce.
Proč má takový typ muží
Even so is there.
I saw.
zainvestovaný v tom jak?
The fuck, Luce? The fuck?
Cassie, what's your type?
What's your type?
Blonde girls with trouble.
Do we buy this for Yuri?
No.
Epa. Twerk, twerk. Oj, oj, oj.
Twerk, bitch, twerk.
Máme na tu na večeru girl dinner a mne padá ručka.
Keksiky a ingredienty na paštet.
Alô? Tira que eu vou cagar. Álcool. Oh, puta.
Kajka, prečo spíš sama?
Nejde se rovnou spát někde jinde.
Tereza spala dole. Is this your favorite spot? You like sleeping here?
That is good. So can I have a pillow now from your roommate that we don't know the name?
Yes, of course.
Thank you very much. Simba.
It was a lot.
Simba. Čo ideme robiť?
Paštels. Sa to naučíme.
Wow, jazyk.
Takéto keksičky. Ňam.
Approved by us. Toto je náš workspace. Nedá sa to miešať dobre. Taktiku mám na to zvoliť, aby som tam zakomponovala. Lebo tá miska je...
Krekujeme vajka.
Krekujeme vajky, sú strašne také jemné. Ma fascinujú tie ingrediencie, čo tu majú, tak akože inak niektoré sa spravujú, jak si ja.
Hej, iné skupenstvo.
Ženy, ako to cíti? Kam sa chystáme? Ideme na fancy dinner, to je náš posledný večer. We be looking like people for once. Všetci sa obliekli, všetci vyzerajú fancy, okrem Casio. Zobrali sme Saru do auta, prečo? Pretože sa bojí jazdiť s Casiom. Akože valid. Neviem, mne to nepríde až také zle. No. Tretíkrát sme odbočili inak, ideme na Faro. Mali ste na opačnú stranu na Španielsku, opačne, takže turn around. Ako to cítiš?
Fajne.
Ideme sa najesť. Ideme na seafood večeru v Torie.
Normálne tieto stoličky sú tak čudné, ja neviem, jak sa môžem byť taký vymienial normálne.
I feel pressure. Tak všetko. Babka, všetko, čo ti naložili.
11:10, akože najlepší rezeň.
Just be honest, Carolina. Talk about the... Carolina is not eating the fish.
How do you feel about the dinner?
Oh, yeah, I'm nice. I'm enjoying it. For real.
Cheesecake. Že to je najlepší dezert podľa Pavla. Majú to isté, krmné.
Naozaj ja.
Very good. Ja mám varené kondenzované mlieko.
Muito não, porque não comes. Mas o meu prato tem que ser muito já com tudo. Velka kokot? Moc prosím, cici.
Kradneme citrón.
Teraz to je zima.
Mamáš. Dojš mamáš. Dobre sme sa nachalovali a ideme robiť teraz ešte asi paštel, ideme sa baliť. Ideme všetko postiať.
Can I see the picture actually?
Oh no, that's not the picture. What the fuck?
Šupa Teresa. Lajky prsta je úžasné. Už to ukončujeme pomaly. Takto blondujeme ešte a ideme sa baliť za chvíľočku a ukončujeme túto peknú dovolenečku.
Počkej, videli ste.
Už sa plačká. Teda iba ja. We're saying goodbye and Vincent is just so fucking high. Are you here with us?
Yeah.
You sure?
No.
Prepačte. Rozlúčili sme sa s Pavlom. Sevilla Airport, here we come. Once and again. Cesta bola super. Smutko som, ale happy som. Copíky nekomentujem. Ženy pocity? Tired?
Máme botovsky na nohách s ponožkami, to je hrozné proste.
Je to pocit byť vyzutá. Jaký fancy oný tunel. Ja mám takých, že 350 000 kg, ale pustili ma. Budapešť. Začali tu na nás kričať v Budapešti. Kto to bol? Čo to bolo?
Cigoši. Taký fake Gucci mali na svojom uši.